Good morning everyone, namaste. Today we're going to be solving this question. If tan A minus tan B is equal to x and cot B minus cot A is equal to y, prove that cot A minus B is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Okay, so how to solve this? First of all, the method I'm going for is that, see, we are asked to prove this, right? So how I'm going to be solving is that, you see this cot over here, I want to convert this into tan somehow, and then I'll solve this. Okay, this is my method. So ab dekho, you can see what's given in the question. This is given. You can see it's already in terms of tan, so it's fine, no problem. We don't have to do any changes here. Now if you look here, this is given in terms of cot, not in tan, right? Now in order to solve this question in terms of tan, we have to first convert this into tan, and only then we'll be able to substitute in what we have to prove, and then we'll be able to get the answer. Okay, so ab this one, let's turn it in terms of tan. Okay, now you tell me, cot B, I can write it as 1 by tan B. Is there any problem here? No, right? Very good. What about cot A? I can write it as minus 1 by tan A, right? This is equal to y. Are you clear with this? Yes. Now let us do LCM, right? If we do LCM, we'll get tan A into tan B, right? Here I'll get tan A minus tan B, right? And this is equal to y, okay? Or now you look at this. What do you see over here and what do you see over here? It's nice, na? So you get tan A minus tan B ka formula, that's already given in the question, is x, right? So now tan A tan B is equal to y, right? Or let's do cross multiplication. We'll get tan A tan B is equal to x by y. Clear? We have got our second equation. If this is our first equation, let's say this is our first equation, this is our second equation. Okay, now what we can do now, okay, let's take this color. Okay, now what we can do, we can take what's there in the question. We need to prove, let's say this is RHS, right? This is our RHS, so we can say RHS given that cot, sorry, this is our LHS. I am so sorry, oopsies. Okay, look, this is our LHS, right, is cot A minus B. This I can write it as 1 by tan A minus B, right? Now this, okay, let's continue down only. I'm not gonna change anything. Okay, continue. So what is tan A minus B formula? Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, right? Now remember, don't make any mistakes. Yahan pe, this is this wala line, okay? Do not confuse it with this one, okay? So if I take this one upar, what will I get? 1 plus tan A tan B by tan A minus tan B. Ab upar chalo, look at this. This is equation 1. Is this the same as what's given here? Sorry, I'm not going to use this. Yeah. Okay. This one is same as this one. I've double highlighted it. And this one is same as this one, right? So now let's substitute from equation 1 and equation 2. Let's use blue. Okay. So from, oh my god. Yeah, okay. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can say that 1 plus tan A tan B is x by y. We have gotten from equation 2 by x, right, from equation 1. Okay, this one we can write it as, let's continue down only. What is wrong with me today? X, and then यहाँ पे if I take LCM ऊपर, I'll get y plus x. Do you agree ना? यहाँ पे this exactly I'm converting it into this. Okay, अब देखो, here I can write it as x plus y by xy, right? अब देखो, I can convert this into x by xy plus y by xy. That is cut. I'll get 1 by y plus 1 by x. And this is our RHS. You see this, right? So this is our RHS, comma, RHS. Hence proved. We have proved this question, and this is how you're supposed to solve it. Hope you have understood, right?